This will be a very brief introduction to financial statements. I want to focus on the method you need to follow when doing financial statements. The first thing you need to do is you need to fill in all your opening balances that you are given in your pre-adjustment trial balance. The two exceptions to this are your fixed assets as well as your capital, and the reason for that is they could change during the year, and you will only know what has changed when you do the adjustments. So when you read the adjustments and they tell you, for example, equipment was purchased, they will tell you at that point whether that purchase has been recorded or not, and that will determine where you fill in the trial balance figure. Once you fill in all the opening balances, you need to do all the adjustments. Very important here, remember to do your double entry. The whole of accounting is based on your double entry rule, so you always need to change two numbers. And then this third step here is where you're going to get a lot of method marks. So you need to add up or total your financial statements to make sure that you get all the method marks that are possible. And very, very important, you must learn your layouts. If you don't learn your layouts, you won't know what to write where. So it's essential that you learn the layout of both your income statement as well as your balance sheet, and obviously also your notes. Alright, if you have a look here, this is what I call a timeline, and we have our current financial year running from the 1st of March right through to the 20th of February. And at that point there, they give you a pre-adjustment trial balance. Now, in the pre-adjustment trial balance, that will give a summary of income and expenses that have actually been received or paid during the current financial year. The amount that I want to record, though, is the amount that should have been paid or received during this current financial year. And some of these amounts won't represent what should have been paid or received. So therefore you need to make adjustments. Now when you're doing adjustments, you're going to ask yourself, have I received too much? If you've received extra, any extra you've received or paid, then you're going to subtract. If your answer is too little, if you haven't paid enough here, you're going to have to add in anything that is missing. You haven't received enough, you're going to add in anything that is missing. Now once you've done the adjustments then, the amount that you are going to be left with is your correct income and expenditure. And in this column here of your income statement, in your answer column, you're always going to record the amount that should have been paid or received. So in summary, remember you're given what actually was paid or received, you make adjustments, and you end up here what you should have received or should have paid for the current financial year. In future videos, I'm going to focus on the partnership adjustments, and then in another video, I'm going to go through general adjustments. But for now, that's all.